Custom picture windows Laurel Maryland are a strong choice for homeowners who want aesthetic window solutions with panoramic window views, modern picture windows, and lasting curb appeal. In Laurel MD, these large picture windows can transform a room into a bright, open space while supporting home window upgrades that fit both traditional and contemporary homes. Whether you are comparing bay window alternatives or planning new construction windows, picture windows in Laurel MD deliver clean lines, expansive daylight, and flexible window size customization for residential picture windows, sunlit living room windows, and upgraded home design. Picture window installation Laurel MD is ideal for homeowners seeking a seamless way to improve natural light and exterior views without sacrificing efficiency. Laurel MD window installers and Laurel Maryland window contractors can handle residential picture window installation Laurel with precision, from window frame installation to insulated glass windows and low-E glass windows. For homeowners looking for picture window experts MD, local window company Laurel Maryland Services can provide custom picture windows Laurel Maryland, energy-efficient picture windows Laurel, and affordable window installation Laurel for both replacement and remodeling projects. Picture windows Laurel Maryland is often the best option when older windows are drafty, damaged, or outdated. Laurel area window replacement services can upgrade aging units to double-pane picture windows, vinyl picture windows, or energy-efficient windows Laurel that help improve comfort and reduce utility costs. If you need window glass replacement, picture window glass replacement Laurel, or full picture window replacement, Laurel Home Window Services and Maryland Picture Window Contractors can recommend the right solution for your Laurel Maryland home remodeling windows project and your long-term performance goals. Modern picture windows are popular across Laurel, Maryland because they pair well with architectural window designs and today's open-concept interiors. Large picture windows can create dramatic focal points in living rooms, dining rooms, and family rooms, while fixed picture windows provide uninterrupted views and excellent daylighting. For homeowners seeking Laurel MD fixed window installation, these residential picture windows are a versatile option that works beautifully in Prince George's County picture windows applications, especially when style, visibility, and low maintenance performance all matter. Energy-efficient picture windows are a smart upgrade for Laurel MD residential windows, especially in homes that need better insulation and better indoor comfort throughout the year. With insulated glass windows, low-E glass windows, and double-pane picture windows, homeowners can enjoy clearer views and improved energy savings. Laurel MD energy-saving windows are especially valuable for families planning window upgrade Laurel Maryland projects, since vinyl picture windows Laurel and custom picture windows can be designed to match the property while supporting efficient heating and cooling performance. Picture windows Laurel Maryland custom window services make it easy to match picture windows to unique floor plans, remodels, and expansion projects. From window size customization to new picture windows, Laurel MD homeowners can work with Laurel Maryland home remodeling windows specialists to create the ideal fit for bedrooms, kitchens, offices, and sunlit living room windows. For those searching for window replacement near Laurel MD, local contractors can offer remodeling window services, new construction windows, and custom picture windows Laurel Maryland built to suit the home's architecture and the owner's preferred style. Vinyl picture windows are a practical and attractive option for many Laurel homeowners because they offer durability, low maintenance, and strong performance in residential picture window installation Laurel projects. When paired with energy-efficient picture windows, these windows can support better thermal control while still delivering the large picture windows look many homeowners want. Laurel MD window installers often recommend vinyl picture windows Laurel for homeowners who want a balance of affordability, style, and long-term value in Laurel, Maryland home improvement projects. Homeowners comparing bay window alternatives often choose picture windows for their simplicity, affordability, and expansive glass surface. Fixed picture windows can provide the same open, airy feeling as more complex window styles while reducing maintenance needs and keeping the design clean and modern. For Laurel Home Window Services, these aesthetic window solutions work well in both older houses and newer builds, especially when combined with custom picture windows, residential picture windows, and coordinated window frame installation from experienced Laurel Maryland window contractors. Picture windows in Laurel MD are especially effective for creating bright rooms with wide exterior views, making them a favorite for homeowners who want better connection to the outdoors. Whether installed in a family room, front-facing living space, or addition, panoramic window views can change the feel of the home immediately. Laurel MD residential windows projects often include modern picture windows, large picture windows, and insulated glass windows that improve comfort while maintaining a crisp, elegant look throughout the property. Maryland picture window contractors can help homeowners choose the best combination of style, size, and performance for any property in Laurel, Maryland. From picture window installation Laurel MD to picture window replacement Laurel Maryland, the right team can provide local guidance, careful craftsmanship, and dependable results. If you are planning home window upgrades, need affordable window installation Laurel, or want Laurel MD fixed window installation with energy-efficient windows Laurel, a local window company Laurel Maryland can deliver the right solution for your home and your goals.